It is 4:50 in the morning. Been on the road for like 10-20 minutes now. We're about to go buy a new whip. Might be a for sale whip. Depending if you guys want, it might be a raffle whip. But reason why we're headed out so early, the guy works at 7 a.m. So I'm trying to be there by 6 and get out of his hair at 6:30. We've talked about everything mostly through message, so I'm trying to get there, peep the car real quick, drive the car real quick, cash him out, and we're out. So I got about 30 minutes to make all that happen, then we're headed back. When we come back, picking up the SOAR. I got my camera kits installed from the homie Marquitos again. Then we're gonna go to Best Tire Shop, probably max out the camber and get it realigned. So day one, the new whip will be meeting the SOAR. Seems so early. Man, it is early, but once we get there, it should be like 6 a.m. So the sun should be up or coming up and be able to get a good look at this car. We made it. You hear that? Yeah. So I'm gonna gamble it. I'm gonna take the car. We're taking it. You know I had to. Sheesh, that thing is clean. What is it with me and these foxes, huh? That thing looks good, man. Clean. Little exhaust leak, nothing big. We're back. Back in the IE. It's windy. My favorite part. Yes, sir. Sick. Damn. That's exactly what I wanted. Look at that. That's it. Yes, sir. Got the AC and the heater bumping. Damn. It runs great now. About to race this Alcoa right here. Oh, I love it. Dropped off the Fox at Joseph's. He's gonna do the deep clean detail, get the engine bay looking good. Pretty much, you know, all that much needed stuff. And we're also gonna do a little bit of touch-ups on the interior because it's too much red for me. I don't really like it. I don't know if you guys like it, but I'm gonna clean it up anyways. So even though we just dropped it off, I went to go pick up some headlights real quick. I'm gonna go drop them off right now, so I'll show you guys a little glimpse of the befores, I guess, so you guys can actually see what it looked like before and after. And probably gonna end up doing the window tint too. As for wheels, I got a good and a bad, or a good and a not so good. The good is I'm gonna get wheels for it, so it's gonna look cool. The not so good is they're not real wheels. I'm gonna get some reppies. Take it easy on me. I'm not the type for rep wheels, but it's my first raffle. Go easy on a G. If it goes good and you guys support it, the raffles will only get better. I I want to throw some works on there for sure, but you know, I gotta make sure that, you know, it's worth my time also. So it will have wheels. It's gonna look good. I think they're gonna be some reppies, but it'll come with wheels, so it'll look good. I promise you, it'll look good. With the wheel, I'm going like a staggered setup, a little bigger tire in the back, you know, so it should look. Also, trip out. Come to find out, the Fox has a short shifter, it has headers, it might have a small cam, and if I'm not mistaken, from when I popped the hood, I think it has coilovers and camber plates. So for real, the wheels will look fire for sure. Go back to my boy and get them fenders rolled and pulled, and should be Gucci. So the Fox already has a couple of tasteful mods. The only thing I probably won't do is paint it. So I want to make sure everything else is right, because it is a giveaway car, you know. I don't sell or give away junk, but maybe I can get a good deal on wrapping it. But hopefully, you know, with what I do with the rest of the car and get it running right, and like I said, the AC and everything works already. I hope, you know, that for someone winning the car for cheap, you know, for a ticket, should be no complaints. Like I said, take it easy on me. It's my first raffle. Hopefully more to come. These things used to be chrome. Now they're just yellow. But I don't really like them anyways. So we'll be rocking these. Black housing. Way better. Now we got one semi on there. Looks a lot better for sure. Working on number 2. These old things were not it. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Hit the lights, John? You wanna hit the lights real quick? See what it look like? Okay. Hit the fog lights real quick. Jeez. Yeah, that's dope. Hell yeah. Looks new. As for this, we're getting rid of all that red. The red on the dash. By the shifter right there. All the AC stuff. The red panels in the back gotta go. All that has to get fixed, but with due time, pretty soon. We're out of here. Fox is gonna look sick when it's done right there. Little tint, little wheels, hopefully, by the time he's done. Hear my exhaust is dragging? Man with the plan. Top of the morning, it's like 6 a.m. Good news, I got wheels for the Fox though. So we're about to drop them off right now too. Sheeskers. Let's see, am I the first one here? I'm about to find out right now. Got the back seats dirty, but no biggie, no biggie. These little chunkies are gonna look good on there. Quick drop off. Back to work. My ninjas. Not a bad way to start the morning. Clocking in. I still can't get over my fitment no more. Like, damn, it's so perfect. Can't wait to be off. Pick up the Fox. So, about to pick up my little brother and go pick up this foxbody, man. It looks super dope. I already got the sneak peek pics. Still need to do the window tint and a little bit of interior, but we're gonna take it home for now just because I can't wait to drive it. So about to pick up my brother and see you guys there in a bit. We're here. Sheesh, there she is. God. Hell yeah. Damn, that rear looks so good. Cold start. Sheesh. Oh my God. I love it. Man, the engine bay came out so clean. I don't know if you guys remember, but it was grimy. Fuck yeah. Let's go watch this thing now. Get some dope pictures. You know I gotta drop the top though. Yeah, Sirski. Sheesh, rolling through the hood in a hood trophy. What's up with that fool? That's right. It's Sunday, man. The whips is outside. Sponsored by. Got the Sora cleaned up now. Bro helping me vacuum it. Just got the armor on there. But this Fox is such a vibe. Come on. I still can't get over this rear look. I love it. I've never been a fan of these taillights until now for some reason. Oh my God. Oh, that thing is so sick. Oh my God. My car sounds so good. I didn't know it sounded that good for real. The inside's great, but the outside sounds even better. Everybody could hear that, man. That's nuts. What a happy moment for me. Just rolling through San Bernardino. Mobbing. Sheesh. It's crazy pulling up now. Baby! Reverse right now.